Come to a comfortable cross-legged seat. Then gently take one drop of essential oil into your palm. Rub it in and bring your hands close to your face. Inhale slowly through your nose. Let the scent bring you back to yourself. Let it feel easy. Let it feel yours. And if you'd like to wear ankle weights today, go ahead and clip them on now. It's optional. Let's begin with gentle neck circles. Start by slowly letting your chin drop towards your chest. Then sweep your right ear towards your shoulder. Gently roll your head back and let the left ear drop to the other side. Move with your breath. Inhale as you arc up and around. Exhale as you come down through center. We're not forcing range, just waking things up. Same soft attention. Let this feel nourishing. Sit tall and grounded. Let's begin by letting your right ear gently tilt towards your right shoulder. Keep both shoulders heavy, especially the left. You can even place your left fingertips down by your hip to anchor. Inhale here. Feel the space stretch along the left side of your neck. Exhale and allow any tension to melt down through the arm. Slowly return to center. Take a breath in. Now let your left ear fall towards your left shoulder. Right shoulder stays heavy, almost like it's dropping away. Feel that long, slow stretch through the right side of your neck. Breathe into that space and exhale to soften even more. Let this bring your awareness inward. You're doing great. Let it be soft, not pulled. Just held with attention. Come into a side-sitting position with your legs crossed or folded to the right. Let your left hand rest beside you and reach your right arm gently overhead. Imagine expanding the space between your ribs. You should feel a gentle stretch along the right side of your body. Breathe here and soften your jaw. Take one more breath. Inhale to lift. Exhale to lengthen a little deeper. Come back to center. Let's switch legs to the other side. Right hand now grounds you. Left arm floats up and over. Inhale to lift tall through your waist and exhale to arc over to the right. Feel that long stretch through your left side ribs. Try not to collapse. Lift as you lean. Let your breath guide the movement. You're exactly where you need to be. Let your inhale lift the ribs and your exhale soften into the shape. Come into a 4-point kneeling position. Shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. Bend your right elbow and place your palm behind your ear. As you inhale, begin to gently open your elbow out to the right, like you're offering your heart forward. Let the movement spiral from your mid-back, not your shoulder. Keep your pelvis square and grounded. As you exhale, stay steady and feel the space you're creating across your chest and ribs. Your gaze can follow your elbow or stay soft and forward. You might start to notice a gentle stretch down the front of your left hip flexor and even a subtle activation around your right obliques as they help stabilize you here. If your balance feels wobbly, that's okay. Come back to your breath. Let this feel open but supported, strong but soft. Take one last inhale to expand. Let's bring it to the other side. Feel the center of your chest lift gently. Inhale and begin to open your elbow out to the side, like you're showing your heart to the world. Let this be a spiral starting from your mid-back, not just the shoulder. Exhale, stay steady. Notice the space you're creating across the chest, the gentle pull down the right side of your torso. Feel the grounding through your back shin and the lightness in your upper spine. You might feel the front of your right hip begin to release, while your left oblique subtly turn on to support the twist. If your balance wavers, just breathe. It means your stabilizers are working. You've already done the first side. This is just balancing it out. Let the movement feel smooth, open, and easy. Lower yourself down onto your mat, coming into a prone position. Let your legs extend long behind you, hip widths apart, and rest the top of your feet into the mat. Bring your hands beside your shoulders, elbows bent and close to your ribs. Forehead gently hovers just off the mat or lightly rest down, whatever feels best today. Now take a deep inhale, and on your exhale, gently draw your shoulder blades down your back, like you're tucking them into your back pockets. Inhale to hold here, feeling the mat support your front body. Exhale, slowly lower back down with control. Let's go again. Inhale, reach the crown of the head forward. Feel the upper spine start to lift, not by pushing with your arms, but by lengthening through the crown of your head. Exhale. Lift the chest just a few inches off the mat. No need to go high. We're focusing on precision, not high. If you feel your lower back take over, ease up and soften the glutes. Stay lying face down, but now bring both arms down by your sides, palms hovering just above. Legs stay long and energized with toes reaching back. Start with an inhale, and as you exhale, circle arms down to the hip like you're swimming. Slide your shoulder blades back and down, and gently lift your head, chest, and arms off the mat together. Your gaze stays slightly forward and down, creating a long line from the crown of your head through your spine. Inhale to hold at the top, stretch your fingertips towards your feet, and exhale to lower slowly, keeping the control, not just dropping down. Let's move again. Inhale to prepare, exhale to lift. Exhale, soften to release. Well done. From here, we'll ease into a child's pose stretch to relax. From your prone position, gently push back, letting your hips melt towards your heels. Arms can reach forward or softly fold by your sides, whatever helps you feel grounded. Let your forehead rest on the mat and take a slow, generous inhale, filling up your back ribs and low belly like a balloon. As you exhale, allow your spine to soften, your shoulders to release, and your whole body to settle a little deeper. Let's come back down onto your belly, legs extended, arms reaching forward, shoulder widths apart. Rest your forehead lightly on the mat to keep the neck neutral. Take a moment to feel long from crown to toes. On your inhale, lift your right arm and left leg just a few inches off the mat. Feel the length more than the height. Exhale to lower back down. Then inhale, left arm and right leg lift. Reach through the fingers and toes like you're stretching opposite corners of the mat apart. Exhale to release gently. Keep going with this alternating rhythm. Inhale to lift and lengthen. Exhale to return and ground. Feel the back chain of the body, the glutes, hamstrings, and mid-back activating with control. Take one more round, reach, lengthen, and breathe into the effort. You're doing beautifully. Stay on your belly, arms reaching forward, legs long behind, forehead hovers just off the mat, neck stays long, gaze is down and soft. Now inhale to prepare, and as you exhale, begin to flutter the arms and legs, lifting opposite limbs in a quick controlled rhythm. Right arm, left leg, then switch, like you're swimming across still water. Keep your torso stable and pelvis grounded. Feel the muscles in your upper back, glutes, and hamstrings come alive. Your shoulder blades stay wide. Think of reaching from the center of your spine out. Breathe naturally here. No need to match breaths to each beat. Just to stay smooth, consistent. You've got 10 more seconds. Eyes soft, effort steady, and slowly lower down. Let everything melt back into the mat. Sink back into your shell stretch. Knees open, toes touching, arms reaching forward. Feel the earth hold you, And as you inhale, notice if the scent of your essential oil is still lingering around you. Let the aroma fill your back ribs and melt into your hips. No need to do anything now, just notice. Let your spine gently release. Let your shoulders soften. This moment is yours, and you've earned it. If this felt like exactly what your body needed, explore more of my 10-minute resets. Take one last inhale through your nose and exhale it all out, then gently roll yourself back up.